Hello again, Inmovers. Today's video is an update on how to add the Jokes.aiml into Inmoov MyRobotLab. After posting the previous video on the Inmoov Robot English Facebook site, Draka20D has posted a couple of comments and suggested this method. And yes, it is far superior, so I'm going to run through the method. Now I will modify, I do have to modify the Jokes.aiml file, and we'll run through this with the Limerick AMI file. So at the moment Inmoov's not working, not plugged in, there's no connection to him. So we'll get the Limerick AML. So that's that there. So at the same time, I guess we could copy the joke run as well. So all we need to do is paste that into MyRobotLab gestures, AML. So we'll paste that into there. Okay, so you can see we've got joke and limerick. So I'm gonna edit the jokes. So as previously, I'm just going to pause the video here while I edit this joke file. Okay then, now I've modified the Jokes.aiml file, with added a couple extra jokes in there. I've just got them off the internet, so we'll save that. I'm not going to do anything with the limerick files. That's just the standard limericks, but same thing again. If you feel you need to add some limericks, just modify that file, providing all the limerick is in between the li commands. Okay. So I need to modify my chatbot file, but you won't need to do that because I just want to get rid of. Do I need to modify it? Oh, sorry, my gesture files, the Inmoov gesture files. Okay, so I need to get rid of my jokes that I put in there in the previous video because we no longer need this. So what we're going to do is call on those Jokes.aiml files and the gesture and the Limerick AMI files, so we no longer need that in here. So I'm just going to delete that from here. After I do this, we still have to go into one other file and modify that. So okay, that looks good. So this backslash category is the end of that category there. Category is the start of the new category, and then it ends with the backslash category. So we'll save that. Of course, if you get some text wrong in here, Inmoov won't boot up right. And we can prove that because I'm using Notepad++, I'm not sure how other text editors handle it. if I click on that AML file, you can see it's a red continuous line to the start of the AMI file, so that at least I haven't got any breaks in the file. So I've saved that. Okay, now as previously, the joke and the limerick files are called on by this file. So the previous video I deleted the joke one, so now I'm going to delete the limerick one. If we don't delete this, we'll have two instances where joke or limerick is called up. I'm not sure, it'll most likely be some sort of race to see which one activates first, so getting rid of those will stop that situation. So now I just have that in there, so we have the start category and the backslash category to say the end, so we're right there. Save, same thing again, I've got a red continuous line from the AIML to the backslash AML. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now I tried this before and it didn't work, but the difference is what Draker has passed on is that we need to delete everything from this file to get it to reinitialize them, otherwise it will just go back to the old file even though we've modified them. So just in case I've made a mistake, I'm going to copy this across, just paste it on my desktop, just as a little bit of insurance. So now we need to delete all the files from here. So I think I've stated previously that when Inmoov starts up and it doesn't see these files, it regenerates them from the AIML files. So you can see that that's empty. Now it's just a matter of starting up Inmoov. So I'll pause the video again and I'll get Inmoov up and running. Welcome back. Inmoov's up and running. Had a bit of an issue with the microphone I'm using on the computer to do this video, and that was Inmoov detected that, so he decided to use that as a microphone, but didn't want that, otherwise he'd be speaking over us all the time, so we just had to disable that and then re-enable it. So, but that's normal computer stuff. Okay, so as before, then I need to type in here in the chat box, otherwise it'd work with speech recognition.
I once dated a McBoot. It didn't work because he was all I this and I that.
Okay, that's one of the original jokes.
Can a robot go downstairs? Only once.
Another original joke.
Never trust a computer deeper than you can live.
Another original joke.
I never really know how to start Linux, which is probably because I run off Windows 8. Those are to be to have any brothers. No, only transistors. Same. Therefore I am.
Okay, so that's one of the jokes I put in there. That so we'll try the limericks.
The limerick packs lacks anatomical into space that is quite
very
economical.
good.
But the good ones have seen so seldom are clean, and the clean ones so seldom are comical.
So we can see that. Look at this file. This is where the jokes and limericks used to get called on, but that's not there. So now the jokes and the limericks are being called on by the joke AIML. and a limerick AMIL. There's the limerick one, and there's the joke one. Okay, so this is this method has bigger ramifications because now we can add new AMILs, so we can import them from somewhere else already written, or we can write our own AMILs, and to get them to initiate, we just put them in that directory. Alright, that one. Okay, okay. So because Inmoov, I deleted them from here, and because Inmoov hasn't reached on the shutdown sequence, they write all the new AIMLIF files. So you can see here. So when if I shut down Inmoov and open him back up again, you would see all these files being generated. So right now it's only generated the learn if AMIL. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.